It's so slimy. I don't want to touch it. Okay, let's touch it. Hi, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe.
So today we will be doing a science experiment.
Yay!
We want to know
How do an egg bounce?
So we'll be putting the egg in different liquids and we will see if those properties can change the shell and maybe it'll bounce. But we don't know which ones it is. So I'll leave it up to you.
So heavy. Looks like milk. A bottle of milk. I need to put water for blue.
So water is neutral, and in this case, water is going to be our control. It'll allow us to know whether the science experiment worked or not. Because, does an egg do anything in water?
We don't know.
Would it bounce?
We don't know if it can bounce.
What about when you try to cook an egg and you put it in water? Does an egg bounce?
No.
Okay.
I know. Okay, that means
Eggs will do no.
no. But so cold and fresh. I hope I drink milk right now. Oh. Oh my gosh. I just spilled milk here. Into the oil. Oh, so oil. Ah. Okay, I'll open it. Oh, okay, oil. Here. This is gonna be fun.
What do you think the oil might do?
I think the egg is going down, like it's going to like go down like that.
That'll sink
Yeah, it's sick.
and it will float. It's a good observation. Now we're gonna do orange juice. All right, so the last one we're gonna do is
vinegar.
Amari, so you can pour that up. Vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. A little more, a little more. Gotta make sure the egg is fully saturated.
No,
A little more.
when I say done.
Okay.
Done. Now we have some color.
Okay, the blue goes with the water.
The water.
Mm-hmm. 3 drops.
2, 3.
Good job.
Do we need to mix it with spoons? Hey, that's a good question. Look, it looks like blood, but I don't like it when I see it.
Okay. Very good. How do we make purple?
I know. Blue and red.
Good job. Each liquid has different acidity levels. So water doesn't have acidity, and the most acidic one is the vinegar.
Right. Instead, we are going to start with our eggs. This is and Tita. Remember? No. Ow! Okay. Remember, no cracking.
Yeah, don't crack the eggs.
Ugh. That was just saying oil oil just saying. Milk. They sing. They sing. Ooh. Ooh. They sing. They sing. Oh.
I'll come to you.
Okay, do it. Ooh.
Let's observe the different eggs.
Ooh.
Starting with water.
Senses. Okay, that means water. Water. Ooh, look, bubbles. Look, the bubbles. Vinegar. Look, vinegar has a lot of bubbles. It's so weird.
Does it have a smell?
Stinky. Water. Smells normal.
Okay, so which one do you think that after 5 days will be bouncing like a ball? Which one do you think it is?
Vinegar.
Why the vinegar?
Because look at those bubbles, like going up.
All right, so let's just wait for 5 days and go.
So great, I want to go. I want to bounce that egg. Okay, let's leave. Oh, Tita, let's leave, I just said. Right, Tita? We're going to be old watching this. What is going down? What is happening? What happened? Nothing? Finally, it works. 5 days, and one of our eggs hatched. It's so cute. Okay, let's keep it. Okay, let's get started, Mom. Yes.
All right, so we're gonna start with the egg that's been in the water. Water is neutral, so what do you think is gonna happen when you? Yeah, it's gonna crack.
It's going to crack, right?
Let's pull that out.
It's so cold. I know it's blue, okay?
Yeah, the shell is blue, so the dye didn't go through the shell. And does it smell?
It smells kind of stinky.
No, it should not smell. It's our control, so nothing should be happening to our egg that's been in the water. Let's try cracking it.
Okay. Wait, I want to see. Oh, okay, like that. 3, 2, 1. Oh! It almost cracked. It definitely cracked. Okay, let's do it. Oh no, it's gonna fall. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like a wild. 3, 2, 1. Ah! What are you doing, Tita?
So it's a normal egg inside.
Right.
Does it smell?
It smells good, but let's take it out.
Okay.
Ah! I feel I'm baking or something. Help me, Tita. Okay, I need some paper. I can't. Ugh, it's so sticky. Okay, forget about it. Let's start. Oh my gosh.
So our control egg doesn't smell. The shell was blue, so the dye stayed on the outside, and it cracked. So we want to see if any of them can bounce.
Now what is next?
Next, we're gonna try milk.
Milk. Okay. Milk. Milk is purple. Purple. Right here. Oh, it looks weird. It looks
Alright,
like
take it out.
coffee. Oh, it's purple. Okay, it's hard. Okay, let's crack. Oh, mine's are cracked. Ready's cracked. Oh! Okay, let's go next one. Oh my God.
So what does the egg look like? Crack it.
Crack it. Okay. Oh, it looks normal, but it's milk. Normal.
Okay. Alright, take it out and let's move on.
Let's move. Okay, you go. Ooh. Next one.
So the next one is gonna be oil.
Okay, oil. Oil. Ooh, right here. It doesn't mix color.
So the dye didn't mix with the oil because they're opposites. They're hydrophobic.
Okay. It looks normal in the color.
Yeah, because the dye didn't mix with the oil.
Okay, let's crack. I'm so scared to crack it, but okay, let's do it. Egg splash. It's splash. That's one. Mine's first. Mine's first. Ooh. What is it? It looks weird. Crack yours. Oh, it looks like oil egg. Oil egg. Okay, smell. Ooh, smells horrible in that. Ew. Right.
So far, none of our eggs have bounced. The water, the milk, nor the oil. Let's move on to orange juice.
Orange juice. I'm gonna clean this mess. Okay, you get the. Okay, we have a lot of. Okay, do it. Go do it. Okay. I will get the cups. Okay, you clean. That's teamwork. This looks nasty, so.
Those eggs look good. I'm gonna make you some scrambled eggs with that.
Oh, so good. That's a joke. Okay.
Alright, let's keep it going.
Let's do it. Tita. Keep going. Okay. Okay, can you get yours? I will help you get yours.
Let's take that peel out of the way.
What pill?
Garbage.
Garbage. Oh, great.
So we have more space.
3,
Alright, let's go.
1, go. What? Ah.
What color is it?
Guess. What color?
Red?
Right, it's red.
Is there anything weird with the shell?
It looks like bubbles. It looks like sticky, wicky, slimy things. Okay, let's crack it. Boom! Oh!
So the orange juice is acidic. There was some type of a reaction with the shell, but it wasn't enough to make the egg bounce.
So weird. Right. You get the shell, I get the eggs. Wait, I want to put this for a second. Okay. You get the. Do it. Oh my gosh.
That's going to go on to vinegar, which is people's guess. His hypothesis was that vinegar was going to bounce. So let's try getting the vinegar.
It's so slimy, I don't want to touch it. Okay, let's touch it.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. This one is
Is
really
it hard or soft?
soft. It's soft.
Okay.
It's
Does
soft.
it smell?
Smells nasty.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try it a little lower because this one's soft and we don't know what's it gonna do. All right. Bounce it.
3, 2, 1. Hey! It's a bouncy egg! Let's rock! Ah! Ah! It broke.
With the vinegar.
Right? Okay, it
What
looks,
happened to the shell?
it was bouncy.
Yeah, the vinegar ate away the shell and it left a soft membrane, and that's why it bounced.
Right, I like it, but my hands are green. I look like Mr. Grinch. Okay. Okay, thank you for our video. I like and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, it looks like balloons, right? It looks like. Okay.
Ew.
I'll clean my hands with this. Get it? Okay. That looks nasty. Okay, let's see. We need to clean this big old mess.
Yes.
We need to clean.